Okay, guys, remember that until today, you can visit my website www.mrlopezclasses.com, and you can see in the option books all the books. We have 11 books: electricity, electronics, auxiliary systems, corrosion, composite materials, generators, gasoline engines, transmission, diesel engines, and more. You see the books in the option books of my website. In the option courses, you have all the courses, one course per each book. A lot of courses. You can enroll in the courses, and as soon as you enroll in the course, you receive the invitation, the roadmap. This is the roadmap. And with the roadmap, you have access to the platform of Mr. Lopez, and you can take the course online, in your place, in your home, in your marina. Yes, and you can do the project that you have. You have an engine in damage in your boat. You can use that engine like a project for the course. Also, in my website, you have the option to schedule conference with me. Yes, and with the camera, your camera, my camera, I can help to you to solve the particular problems in your marina, in your boat. Yeah, exactly. If you are a professor, you can schedule a conference in that option, in the option troubleshooting. You can schedule a conference and I participate in your class. If you want that I explain one specific topic to your students, schedule a conference with me, and I am happy participating in your class like this with different students of other universities, other technical schools. I am happy participating. If you want that I create more products, write a comment in this video and I am happy creating more material. Also in my website you can see the posters. I have a lot of posters, different type of posters, exactly, and more material. Visit my website. And now, if you want to say thank you, I have the option thanks. Please make a click on that option, and you can say if you wanted in only in one video, I am going to donate $1 to Mr. Lopez. You send $1 for one time. That's it. It's good. I know, I want to send to him $5 because I love it, that video. I used that video in my class with my student. This is a great material. Okay, I appreciate. This is the only way that I can continue creating more and more material. And please subscribe because I create videos every day. I am creating new material. You have all the courses, more than 600 videos in courses. But you only have access to those videos if you enter in the course, if you pay for the course, or if you buy the videos, because in my website, in the option videos, you can buy the videos individually for $5, $6 per video. But now I am creating small videos free for the public with good content. You can access, if you subscribe in my channel, you have access to those videos for free. My friend, thank you. Thank you very much. This project is growing faster. This is only because you. And thank you for your collaboration. I appreciate your support. I am too happy creating more products every day. This is the only way to continue if you support me. I appreciate your likes. I appreciate your thanks. And thank you. Let me know what material you want that I prepare for you. Thank you very much.